Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a frosty, cold Sunday. We're at minus 23 Celsius. It's about minus 9 Fahrenheit. At least it's not snowing today. We're going to do a little something different. I don't know if you can hear my car's running in the background, the tracks. I thought I'd let it warm up for about 15 minutes just to get the battery going. But anyways, we're not going to do anything with the tracks today. We're going to do 𝙑𝙞𝙙𝙧 home security system. Just one camera. I actually ordered a camera for the front, and eventually I'm probably going to order some more cameras later, but we're going to do the setup on that. And the next video is probably going to be the doorbell camera, which I also ordered. I'm not going to do that today. It's too cold out. I brought you out here because probably the hardest part is to mount it and to figure out where I'm going to mount it. I think I'm going to choose, we're at the front here, I'm going to choose that corner right there and have it it'll do the whole area out here. So let's go inside where it's warm and get this going. Alright, so we're inside nice and warm. First thing you're going to want to do is grab your phone because we got to download the app. But before we do that, okay, there's the doorbell I was talking about. I did order it at the same time, so we're not going to do that. We'll put that out of the way. I did order something extra. This is for the what they call the sync module. So it just keeps everything tidy instead of have it hanging there. So that was like 14 or 15 bucks. Anyways, I'm going to leave the links below to all this stuff. Here's the 𝙑𝙑𝙙𝙧 Outdoor 4. And this does come with the sync module. You can order the cameras separate. Let's say you already got this. You can order separate cameras with it afterwards, like I'll probably do later. I just want to see how the experience is with this 𝙑𝙑𝙀. It's got a lot of pretty good reviews. They say it lasts 2 years, the lithium batteries that come with it, and that's a good thing. The batteries come with it too. So let's get into this box.
That's what she said.
Oh, nice. Okay, so it's got the instructions here. Let's see here. Okay, getting started with the 𝙑𝙑𝙀 is easy. Download the 𝙑𝙑𝙀 Home Monitor app and create an account. So we're going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got all the junk out of the way. Here's the quick start guide. If you open it up, oops, sorry, clumsy here. You got this QR code, and if you don't want to read from here, you can do it the newer way, and oops, do it on your phone, and just pick yours that you're gonna use. Let's see, where is it here? Yeah, you got the setting up your sync module, and all these different cameras that you can get with it. So that's the 𝙑𝙑𝙀𝙀 website right there. Outdoor 2, setting up the Mini 2. What's ours called? 𝙑𝙑𝙀𝙀 Outdoor 4. Setting up 𝙑𝙑𝙀𝙀 Outdoor 4, 4th generation. Yeah, so you can go from here if you rather do it on your phone. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to download the 𝙑𝙑𝙀𝙀 app. So we're going to go here. It's on apps and search. Let's see. Oops, 𝙑𝙑𝙀. Just hit that there. Yeah, 𝙑𝙑𝙀 Home Monitor. That's it right there. Double click, and she's done. So just wait for that to download. Alright, so I've downloaded the 𝙑𝙑𝙀𝙀 app, so you just got to create an account. Let's see your country, I'm in way over here. I guess you could just type it in and come up. CAN, there it is. See, Canada. And then you just go through all the steps. I'm not gonna,
show you all that, but it's pretty simple. All right, so use this to open the back of that right here. I already unscrewed it. So first of all, we got the app downloaded. So it says, welcome to Blink. Tap on the plus button to add a device. Wireless cameras. During the setup, you'll be sure to keep your new wireless camera close to your sync module. This will allow for syncing. So we're going to put the batteries in first. Let's do that. Okay, so the batteries are in. These batteries are Ultimate Lithium by Energizer. These will last you 2 years, they say, depending on your location. Like, we're pretty cold up here, as you can see, so I don't know if they're going to actually last 2 years, but we'll see. Yeah, so once they're in, I should turn this light off. You'll see. You should see it. I don't know if you can see it. It blinks every once in a while. Yeah, it's like a light red there. All right, so let's continue with the, let's see, during your setup, be sure to keep your new wireless camera close to you. And it says, close to your sync module. Oh, okay. This will allow for syncing. So I got to plug that in. All right, I guess I should have read that first. All right, I'm going to go plug that in. Okay, so I got that plugged in. Let's see. It's supposed to, I think the red is supposed to turn to green to let you know it's synced, and it should. There we go. So that's done. Let's see. The instructions say continue. Open the back of the camera to include a tool, lift the back panel. Yeah, we already did that. Install included batteries, yes. Locate the QR code and scan the code to your camera. Sorry, scan the QR code to link your camera to the Blink app. Okay, scan QR code, allow. Hopefully it'll pick it up. I was scanning the wrong thing here. There we go. I was scanning the camera, not the Blink module. All right, create a new system. System name. So I don't know what I'm going to say. Let's call it my channel name. It's me. Oh, take the comma out. Me. Man, I stayed up late last night. Sorry, guys. There we go. So it's blinking blue and steady green. Discover device. Join. Blink, allow. Yeah, so then you're just going to want to okay, so it's gonna ask for the password and everything for your Wi-Fi. Just give me a second here. Can you join? So now it's connecting to the Blink servers. Okay, so once you get it all discovered and set up, you got your name there, shows that you're online, and you're ready to go. There you go. It's 9 o'clock, last updated 8:58. So that's all set up now. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is, let's see, set up the camera. So continue. So we got all this done. I think I kind of did stuff a little backwards, but it'll still work out for you. Scan QR code. Continue. Still looking. One moment. Updating firmware. Let's see. Camera. Added successfully. Okay, so welcome to blank. Your 30-day trial has been activated. So they activate this right away. The last version of this, I think it was the last one, actually had a little thing that you could put for storage. These new ones don't have that, so you kind of do need the subscription to hold files. I guess they're trying to get rid of that, so I'm going to get the full subscription. It's $150 a year. That's about $15 a month. Like I said, I'm going to add more cameras to this. So let's see, next. Cloud storage, blah, blah, blah. Pause if you want to read that. Let's see, plus plan, 30 days left, ready to record to tap. Tap to learn more. Okay, let's see this thing here. Okay, so there you go. It's recording. It's not. It's recording. It's not. It's recording. Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's because we're so close. It's doing the feedback thing. So anyways, it's all ready to go. So all you got to do is go outside and install it. And I think that's probably the hardest part. I mean, guys, if I can do this, you know me, you guys can do it too. So I'm going to go put this outside and install it. All right, so we got the back put back on. All you got to do is pretty much clip this in. This thing moves too. Keep it straight for now. And it just clips right in, and you can take it off like that. It's pretty simple. So grab your 2 screws. Don't lose those. So I suggest where you're gonna put it up to the area you're gonna put it. Maybe put a couple dots, and then use your drill. Hey, this is a nice little drill, by the way. I'll leave links to this too. I bought it in the summer and used it on different things around the house. It's pretty powerful, and the battery lasts a long time too. I'm really impressed. I don't even think I've charged this like once, and I've used it quite a bit. So yeah, check that out. Yeah, so that's all you got to do. So I'm going to go do that now. I'm not going to film myself doing it because I'll probably fall down and you know me, clumsy. All right, so I just installed the Blink camera outside. Let's see here. Go to Blink, and it's just as easy as hitting that, and it'll hook up. There you go. So it takes a nice shot of the whole thing, and you can actually make it full screen. There you go. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm out of breath. It's just friggin', that's really cold out there. I'm going to open this up, and, oh, I hate this friggin' plastic to put on these stupid things. There we go. Oh, good. So it comes with a short piece that goes, yeah, that's pretty cool, actually. I like that. And that goes right into the, instead of having this long wire, it's more organized. Let's go put that together. All right, this is pretty easy to put together. Got this piece here. That slides in. This goes there. Actually, probably be better to put this in first. There, nice and does that go that way? There we go. It's red light now, but it's gonna go to green. There we go. And a steady green. There. And that's all nice. And this is for my old doorbell. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, we got the unit all synced up inside the house with the Wi-Fi. Everything's all up and running perfectly the way I want it. There's the unit right there. Whoa, I almost fell in the snow. Yeah, we got a lot of snow here, if you see it.
It's almost as tall as I am. I'm 6 feet 1. So anyways, yeah, that's all installed up there. That's going to be pretty much it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I love hearing your comments, so leave those in the comment section. Also, check out my link tree. It's got all my links to all my social media. I also have a shop on there of all the stuff I've ever bought on Amazon or elsewhere. So check that out. Until next time, we'll see you. Have a good one. Stay safe. So long for now.